I don't know, is there anywhere else that has done anything like this? And I think it's really cool how all the stations really show the diversity of the ways that we work as First Nations artists in Queensland. I'm Elisa Jane Carmichael and I'm a Ngugi woman from Quandamooka country, Mulgumpen, Moreton Island and Minjerribah, North Stradbroke Island. Yesterday when I saw the artwork in person at the Woolloongabba station, it was obviously really exciting, but at first it also didn't feel real because just sort of so amazing to see it on that scale, because when I was making the work I was working on it on my kitchen floor at home and then in the front yard, and then seeing it at that monumental scale was really amazing. And it was really great to see all the tiny details, because in the artwork at the station, all those tiny moments are actually really large. Yeah. It's very true to the original artwork, how it's come out. I hope these artworks in the stations can inspire people as well. Because of the diversity in the artworks as well, people will be able to see all the different possibilities and ways of working as a First Nations artist, and I hope people of all ages will be inspired. But yeah, so it's definitely my largest public artwork to date, and yeah, I'm really excited because I think people will really engage with them and also take away information about Queensland and our First Nations culture.